we are diving into the wild world of altcoins. So what are altcoins? Simply put, they are any cryptocurrencies that are not Bitcoin. Ready to learn more? Let's get started. Altcoins can be anything from Ethereum to Litecoin, and each one has its own unique features. Let's start with Ethereum. Think of it like the App Store for blockchain. It's not just a currency, it's a platform where developers can build decentralized apps or dApps. These are apps that run on a blockchain instead of a single server, making them super secure and reliable. Then there is Litecoin, the Speedy Gonzales of crypto. It's like Bitcoin, but with turbo mode. Bitcoin's faster, younger sibling. Transactions are quicker and cheaper, making it perfect for everyday use. If Bitcoin is gold, Litecoin is silver. Wait, that's not all. Ever heard of privacy coins? These are like ninjas of the crypto world. Monero and Zcash are designed to keep your transactions private and secure. Now meet stablecoins. They are like the chilled-out beach bums of crypto. Calm, reliable coins. That are USDT and USD coin USDZ are pegged to the US dollar, meaning their value doesn't jump around like other cryptocurrencies. Think of them as the digital dollar bills in your online wallet, as calm as a sunny day at the shore. Now let's talk tech for a second. Many altcoins use a technology called blockchain, just like Bitcoin, but some bring cool new features to the table. Take sharding for example. It's a way to split the blockchain, like slicing pizza into smaller pieces or shreds, so transactions can be processed in parallel. This makes things a lot faster and more efficient. Altcoins are any cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. Ethereum lets you build and run dApps, kind of like apps on your phone. Litecoin offers faster and cheaper transactions, like Bitcoin's speedy sibling. Monero and Zcash are privacy coins, keeping your transactions hidden. Stablecoins like USDT and USDC maintain a stable value, just like digital dollars. Sharding helps some altcoins process transactions more efficiently by breaking them into smaller pieces. Altcoins add diversity and innovation to the crypto space. Whether you are into fast transactions, privacy, or building new apps, there is an altcoin for you. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or want to learn more, drop a comment below. I'm waiting for you.